So using my marker, my glass marking pen, I have pre-labeled all of these beakers, and I am going to perform my serial dilution now. I have pre-labeled all of these, 5%, 4%, 3%, and 2%. M, this is my bench reagent container for M. This is already at 5%. I need 20 in each of 20 cubic centimeters in each of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by taking 10, because this 10 cubic centimeter syringe only measures up to 10. So I'm going to take in 10, and 10. Now that is 20. Now that that is 20, I'm going to move this off to the side so that I don't mess things up. What I want to do is I want to move things away as I am done with them so that I don't add any more than I have to. I want to keep things out of my way, because even if I am very careful, I can still screw things up. I want to make things idiot-proof. Even if I don't think I'm an idiot, my body might be. Now, if I'm remembering, my paper is elsewhere so that I don't get it covered in milk. If I'm remembering, my 4%, I needed to add 16 cubic centimeters of M. So I'm going to add 16 cubic centimeters of M to my 4%. All right? So I'm going to add 10. And now I'm going to draw up 6. And there's 6. Now that I've added 10 and 6, that's 16. I'm going to move it off to the side so I don't mess things up. Now, for 3%, I need 12. So I'm going to draw up 10. And add that to 3. And now I'm going to take in 2 and add that to 3. And now I have 12, and I move that off to the side so I don't mess things up again. And now for 2, I needed 8 cubic centimeters. I'm going to draw up 8 cubic centimeters. All right? And I'm going to add that 8 cubic centimeters to my 2% beaker. Now, I'm done with my M. I'm going to move it off to the side, and now I have my W here. My W is distilled water. That's the other part of this equation. 5% is already done. I'm leaving that over here off to the side. I'm going to bring back my 2%, my 3%, and my 4%. Now, I don't want to use this anymore. Well, if I only had one syringe, I could use my for washing and my for waste cup to clean my test tube, my syringe, and make sure that it was clean and ready to use again, and it's ready to go. However, this lab I was given multiple syringes to use. I was given 3. But I've just shown you how to use and clean syringes and get them ready for reuse if you're given a washing and for waste container. But I'm going to use the syringes given to me. All right? So I'm going to use one of these clean syringes. I'm going to set these for washing and for waste containers to the side. Now, for my 4%, I put in 16, and I need 4 to be the remaining 4. I need 4 to fill to the remaining 20. So I'm going to add 4 to the 4% to fill to the remaining 20, and now it's at 20. Before I do that, I need to swirl this to make sure that it is thoroughly mixed. Now, I was given a glass stirrer, but I'm partial to swirling this because this is a low set. This is a very small quantity of a very small volume in a tall beaker, and so I can swirl this gently. If you're not feeling confident in your swirling abilities, you can use the stir rod. It's fine. It just makes a large clinking sound, and you need to be cognizant of your neighbors. So Put that down. Now, for 3%, I used 12, so I need to fill the remaining 8. So there I'm at 8. Fill the remaining 3. I can now swirl this. Put that off to the side so I don't add any more. And now for the 2%, I added 8, and I can fill the remaining 12. Now I need to fill to 10. And now add another 2. Now because this is distilled water, I don't really need to wash this anymore. Just dry that. It's fine. Swirl. Set my water off to the side. And that's simple dilution.